Yo, I'm 𝐾𝐽 here, and today I've got another great deal for you for a short-term drive. Now, let's check it out. Introducing Toyota Harrier Premium with panoramic roof. Okay guys, this car is left with 8 months on a COE, and if you buy this, it's only gonna cost you $63 per day to drive it. How good is that? And it comes packed with features. Of course, we have fully electric tailgate. There we go. Also, inside is all leather interior, very nice, very beautiful. Okay, got mixture of some cloth. Also, we got rear passenger aircon. There's your panoramic roof, very beautiful. Also, very beautiful maroon color leather here with wood. As you can see inside, driver's seat is fully electric, and the condition of this car is very good. So, if you want to get this car, you all know what to do. Call me. 𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐵𝐲𝐴𝐵𝐿 give you a good deal.